sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah,
Yan, so na-excite kami sa magiging result mo.
I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Magiging creative ka sa kung anong meron kang dala ngayon.
So right now, hindi lang tayo basta matututo, but also we're getting to know each other, makapag-banding.
The party started.
Sinabi niya kanina, sabi niya, ang dami ko na po nakikita pero siya lang po yung pinansin ko.
Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up.
We will provide you all the materials you need when it comes to marketing and syempre, para mas lalo kang matulungan dito sa pagnenegosyo natin. We, as your Pioneers Board, we are so much willing to help you and sobrang excited kami sa magiging bagong ikaw na makukuha ang mga pinapangarap mo. So, nandito kami. You are welcome here.
PTS program is a progress to success na ginawa namin para magkaroon ng magandang sistema and at the same time structured learning kung paano ba talaga matututunan ang ganitong negosyo, mapa-field man yan or online.
Ramdam na ramdam ko talaga ang paglaki ng PTS program at sobrang daming tao ang matutulungan dito.
Hello po! I'm excited today kasi gagawa kami ng dream board. Ang gagawin ko po ngayon is bahay po namin.
Oh, I'm waiting to receive it.
To see this, you're about to witness. Don't miss it, don't miss it. We're unstoppable now. Ain't nothing gonna take us down. We're unstoppable now. Fade to black, take a bow. We're unstoppable now.
Hindi mo namamalayan, lilipas yung 3 buwan, may resulta ka.
We're unstoppable now.
Bibigay po namin ang pinaka-best na service na kaya namin ibigay sa inyo dahil katulad nyo, sigurado po ako pare-parehas po tayo may malaking pangarap.